Children, today also we are going to continue with our same chapter number 19. Okay? And then after completing chapter number 19, we are going to start another new chapter, that is simple continuous tense. Children, let's continue the exercise number B of chapter number 19. Fill in the blanks with the simple present forms of the verbs given in the brackets. First one, Mansi dash playing the flute for the school choir. So children, here in the bracket, enjoy is given. Yes, so enjoy is the verb. Okay, so we need to change the verb according to the subject. Children, here Mansi is the subject and it is singular noun. So with singular noun, the verb will be in plural form. Enjoy becomes enjoys. Second, Sarah and Tushar dash lawn tennis twice a week. So children, here option is play. Sarah and Tushar is the subject. Yes, but there are two people. So it is plural noun. Yes, there are two people. So it is plural noun. So if the subject is plural noun, verb will be in singular form. So play become play only. No need to change. Yes. Third one, every Sunday, her family dash to the library for 2 hours. So here children, go is given. Okay. So children, if you want to change go in singular form, go becomes goes. Okay. Because here family is given. So there are many members in family. Okay. So children, we have to change the verb in singular form. So the singular form of go is goes. So children, if you find such words, you have to add es at the end of the word. So the same example is there. I will show you that also. 10th one, what dash your brother do? So children, here verb is do. So children, do will become does. Okay. So children, if you find such words like do, go, what you have to do? You have to add es to make it singular verb. Understood children? Now another one, fourth one. Aditi dash hard for the exams. So children, here option is study. So Aditi is singular noun. So we have to make the verb in plural form. So study becomes studies. We have to remove y and add ies. Children, everyone remember we have already studied about singular and plural noun, how to remove it and add ies. Yes, so children, you have to use that rules here. If you find such word like study, yes, you have to remove y and add ies with verb. Okay, children? So, children, now remaining questions, try to solve by your own. Now it is very easy to answer them. Now, children, let's begin the new chapter. Chapter number 20, present continuous tense. Now, children, everyone know what is present tense? Yes? So, children, now we will study what is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. So children, present continuous tense indicate an action that is going on. Okay? So how in present tense action which is happening now we indicate as our present tense. Yes. So in the same way, your present continuous tense, the action which is going on, okay, it is said to be present continuous tense. The verb phrase in the present continuous tense is formed with am is are plus ing verb. For example, she is writing. So children, she is writing. So is writing is said to be the verb phrase. Is the linking verb and writing is the main verb. So children, how you will come to know that whether the sentence is in present continuous tense? You have to see the verb in the sentence, main verb in the sentence. So what is the main verb here? Writing. Yes. So children, with the main verb, we add ing to make it continuous tense. So verb will be changed. Okay. In present continuous tense, we will change the verb and add ing with the main verb. So you will come to know that the sentence is a present continuous tense. We are writing. I am writing. Understood, children? So children, let's begin the textbook exercises. Verbs that help us to know the tense of the verb, present, past or future are known as helping verbs. So children, which are the helping verbs that help us to know the tense of the verb? Like am, is, are, was and were are said to be the helping verbs. Yes? And the helping verbs are used with the main verb. Yes? So children, by this main verb and helping verb, they form the verb phrase. And with the help of this verb phrase, we come to know the tenses of verb, whether they are present tense, past tense or future tense. To express actions that are going on now, we use am, is, are and add ing to the verb. So children, whenever we are speaking, okay, we express the action that are going now. So with them, we add am, is, are, okay, and add ing to the verb. For example, I am singing. So children, this sentence is of present continuous tense. So with present continuous tense, we use am, is, are in the sentence and add ing at the end of the verb. So here, I am singing. We remove the last e of some verbs and then add ing. So children, with some verbs, we add ing. Okay, so if you find in some verbs, if you find E at the end of the verb, then remove E and add ing. So children, see this chart. If the action verbs are cook, cook becomes cooking. We will add ing, yes, ing form. So it will become cooking. Eat, eating. Speak, speaking. Buy, if you find Y at the end of the verb, so no need to remove Y, just add ing. Buy, buying. Enjoy, enjoying. Try, trying. Go, going. Do, doing. Drive, driving. Share, sharing. Write, writing. Yes. So children, here we will remove E and add ing. Okay children. A. Now write the ing forms of the verbs given below. So children, here are all verbs. Okay. You have to change them by adding ing forms. Okay. The first one, write. Write becomes writing. Second, take. Take becomes taking. So in the same way children, other questions, okay, you have to add ing with them also. Okay. Now it's very easy to answer them children. So in the same manner, you have to add ing at the end of the word. You have to remove e and add ing forms. For some verbs, we double the last letter and then add ing. For example, clap. Clap becomes clapping. So children, how we will come to know where to double the last letter? I will tell you. For example, in present continuous tense, double the last letter and add ing to the verbs that end with one vowel and one consonant. Children, everyone know now? Yes? What are vowels and consonant? So children, what you have to see in the word, if you find such words like this, for example, swim. So children, here at the end of the word, one letter is vowel. I is the vowel. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. Yes, they are vowels. They are vowel sounds. So what you have to do, if you find such word, you have to double the last letter, okay, and then add ing with such verbs. Okay. So here swim becomes swimming. Frog, here O, G is given. Okay. So O is the vowel sound and G is the consonant sound. Yes. So jog becomes jogging. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. Get becomes getting. Drop becomes dropping. Put becomes putting. So understood children? So children, here the similar examples are given. Okay, so you have to solve these questions also. First one, run. So now run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. So understood children now how to double the letter and add ing form. The ing form of the verb is known as continuous tense of the verb. This can be present or past. So children, now everyone know if we add ing form to the verb, yes, it is known as continuous tense of the verb. Okay, so this can be present continuous tense, past continuous tense. Okay, children. Now, children, homework time. Exercise number A and B, page number 63. Complete the remaining exercises.